Today is a very realistic house clean with me. You can see that we've still got Halloween stuff everywhere. I've still got autumn stuff out. This all needs sorting out, so it's a mixture of kind of Halloween and autumn stuff. So I need to sort through all of this, put it all back away, put my autumn, Halloween stuff away, and then get the other bits out so I can have a really good clean before we start decorating for Christmas. So yeah, it's a bit of a tip in here. So the kitchen will be a big job that I need to tackle. I've then got the dining room, which I work in during the week, so it's just a bit of a mess in here. So I need to sort the table, which has become a bit of a dumping ground, and yeah, go through all of that. Still, again, in the hallway, got some kind of autumny bits in there. There's just random stuff. I mean, there's a skeleton hanging outside with one arm. And then moving into the living room, it's not too bad in here, but there's obviously still got all of my autumn stuff out, and we got some of the tackier pumpkins out when it was actual Halloween. Got Arabella's Halloween box, which she's pretty much finished with. So yeah, just need to have a real good kind of tidy of these rooms and just get the house in a good state, give it a good clean, and then it's all be ready to decorate for Christmas. So this box here has got the majority of the stuff that I kind of put away. So I'll go through this, I'll take that in the living room. I just thought I'd show you this actually. I got a lot of bits, well Nick went actually to M&S yesterday, and all the Halloween decorations, everything in Marks & Spencer's was all marked down to 50p. So yeah, it's a great idea getting all this stuff. So yeah, we've got quite a few like decorations, like napkins and things, just little party bits. So it's great if you do this, get it all in the sale and then just put it away for next year.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart?
Arabella came to help as well, and as she did the table, I removed all of the autumn garland and everything, and then sorted through her Halloween box.
I'm just that stupid. Thought that we were meant to be. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Maybe just a little time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be.
I'm going to be getting rid of this storage box when we do the living room next year, as we'll either put a chair or a small sofa like a love seat here, but I just can't decide exactly what I want to put here. This is the Look Fantastic advent calendar that Nick got me for Christmas. I've already had a little bit of a sneak peek, and some of the bits that you get are amazing. I don't know if it's still available, but it's definitely worth looking at. Then I'm going to sort through this box. I got these tables ages ago from B&M. Kept meaning to put them out and just never got around to it. So I'm just going to empty everything in this box and then put these tables in the space instead. For now, I've just styled them with what I have, but think they'll look really nice with a little lamp or maybe a vase with some seasonal stems in.
Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard.
A quick sort out of the cushions, and then that's the living room pretty much done. I just then need to vacuum.
But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm
I feel like the carpet in here is really starting to wear. So we've lived here just over 6 years now. Like I mentioned, we're actually doing this room up next year, and I'm thinking of going for like a dark hard floor, maybe with a big rug in the middle. I think that will look really nice. I actually cannot wait to make over this room. So that's the living room done, and I just like to finish off with the 1001 carpet spray. So yeah, I'm really happy to have it all fresh in there, all ready for them when the Christmas decorations go up. So then moving on to the dining room, which as I mentioned earlier is our office during the week and can often become a bit of a dumping ground. So need to have a real good sort out and put all of my work stuff away. If we're going to be hosting, then I'll normally take the monitors and everything out, but I'm just going to give it a bit of a tidy in here and just put the monitors at the end of the table. This is another unit that really needs sorting out, so I'll probably do that before Christmas, just take everything out of there. I've actually got some feet that I've bought that I need to put on there as well, but there's so much alcohol in the cupboards, and to be honest, some of it's probably not even in date. So yeah, definitely need to have a big sort out in here. That's the dining room almost done. I need to put this light that I bought for the garden in the garage and then vacuum in here. That's the dining room done, and you can see it's actually starting to get dark now already, so before I know it, it will be pitch black outside. My next job is the kitchen, which has actually gotten worse because I've just been kind of dumping everything in here that needs to go away in the garage. So I'm starting with the sofa area, putting all of the autumn cushions and throws away, and then getting the normal ones back out. I got these flowers a couple of weeks ago from a local market and they've lasted so well, but they absolutely stink, so they definitely need to go.
Even when I'm chaotic, you see the shade in the cold. It's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you.
So moving on to the shelves, there's quite a bit of seasonal kind of decor with candles and things on here. So I'm going to pop them away into the autumn boxes and then give it a good dust before putting the normal decor back up.
It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold. It's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us.
I feel like I was starting to make progress, but at this point I felt like I'd been cleaning for hours, looked around and it just felt so messy and it was getting quite overwhelming, so decided that we would just get all of the stuff in the garage before I did any more in here, because it actually then felt like I was kind of getting somewhere. So I do actually feel like I need to get some new storage boxes, or maybe another storage box, because I had to put a few things into bags, which I don't really like doing, because then when I get them out next year I always get scared that there'll be spiders or something in the bag. With everything now back into the garage, I just needed to do a little bit of washing up.
Could be fake, just a blink of a moment, and it's gone. The smallest piece that we need when we're broken.
This was an autumn trail mix that I made up, and now it's time to obviously get rid of that, and I'll wash this jar and put that away as well.
About what makes us die.
Next up on my list is to clean the kitchen cupboards, which to be honest I probably haven't done for a few weeks, and they are well overdue a clean. Because I've got the shaker style cupboards in here, they get really dusty and they kind of hold little bits in the paneling as well, so giving them a good clean is definitely needed, and if I do this regularly it does make such a difference.
When we're falling apart, hold your hand when my heart is. Get me high. When we fight all the time, just show me we're homing. When words die, when we're falling apart, hold your hand when my heart is. Get me high. When we fight all the time, just show me we're homing. Show me we're homing.
Show me where home is.
When words die, get me high. You feel alone by yourself, about to give up, but I won't. When the world falls
I continued cleaning the rest of the cupboards before cleaning the sides, pulling everything out to ensure that everywhere is getting a really good clean.
hold on. You feel alone by yourself, about to give up, but I won't. We keep falling down.
Once I'd done the sides and the table, I gave the sink a good clean using the Cif cream cleaner and then the Scrub Daddy, just to make sure that I really clean the plugs.
You will listen either way, and I told you about the full breakdowns that are only mine to talk about. I even told you about the sacred grounds where I go when I need to shout. There is more to you than words can say. You're the roof when I'm wet from rain. You know the core in every bit of pain. So I wanted to say that you'll see me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. You've given me more than I could ever afford. Swear you will see me rise.
We are almost there, so I'm just going to vacuum the floor. I will also need to mop, but I'll probably do that this evening before bed.
I will have your back as you always have mine. 'Cause I owe you when the world's pitch black. You and I will stay entwined. And I told you about the full breakdowns that are only mine to talk.
So that is everything done, just the mopping that I will do this evening. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been motivational, and we'll see you next time with some Christmas content. Bye!